The most important thing to think about when you're beginning and cutting your vitreous tiles is that your wheel nippers, and I'm using Seabell because these are the popular ones at the moment. We always change our popular favourites, but I'm assuming lots of people have these. And they're characterised by these wonderful bumpers here. So make sure these wheel nippers are at right angles with your tile, so straight. If it's bendy this way or bendy that way, you will absolutely get wobbly lines. Here, most of the time you'll get a straight line, but you need to practice, because triangles are probably the hardest ones actually to cut straight. With nipping, as you're learning to nip, it's nip. We might tend to, when we first start, is like scrunch up our nose, maybe grit our teeth a bit as we crush it to death. But just think nip. I'm a crab and I'm going to go nip, nip, nip. So here we go, nice and straight, and keeping fingers crossed, nip. And it's pretty much a triangle, except for these bits here, which I'll just nip off. So let's try that again. I may get different pliers, nippers. So we're going to make these into small triangles, which is cut the triangle. Oh, that time I got it perfect. See, it does work. And then turn it around. I don't go smaller than this because I can't hold it. And then once again, making sure your nippers are nice and square with your tile. And there we have little ones. And here's the others. So that's how we cut this little guy up here. And this is how we cut this one up here. This one is going to be a part of a flower, so we're aiming again to make perfection. But if we're not, we can just nip that off. Actually, this one we don't need to worry about because I wanted a blunt end anyway for our flower making. So that works out just fine. I don't have to cut this bit off. But if it was perfect like the other one, you would. Now this one we're going to do the same thing again, but round the end. Oh, that didn't work very well at all. Doesn't matter because that's going to be rounded off. And we just nip around our chosen line. Just like that, because we're going to make flower petals out of it. And that's pretty much it. Let's have it. Oh, that one didn't work at all. It is cold. Oops. So that's that end bit.